2 with an intentional walk has reached all 3 times.
Astros hit batter, but they're over their last 7 with men on base.
Tucker reaches on the fielder's choice at first. Alvarez goes to third. Tying runs are on for Mauricio Dubon.
There's 0-2. Back up by fastball and slashed to right center field. Garcia's over.